Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rotate the screen on the HP Omen Transcend 14. To do it, you most probably are doing it if your screen is already rotated and you want to go back. And in order to do it, you should go to the settings, then go to system. Now quickly just find the display and you'll see display orientation. Mine is currently set to landscape, so if I set it to portrait, it'll be flipped to the portrait mode, and I have 15 seconds to click on keep changes. Otherwise, it'll revert itself back to the previous state. So if I set it back to landscape, I need to click on keep changes within 15 seconds. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.